Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to episode 2. We're banging it out really quickly on the stolen Range Rover Evoque build.
Oh, no.
Yep.
You know what that means, don't it?
Shagged engine is right down there. So we're going to try bridging it first. I need to order one of those 60 amp fuses there, and hopefully we can get it started. Hopefully. Guys, I was having a bit of a crappy day as it was anyway until my guy Ozzy turned up. And honestly, when I heard that noise just now, I know that noise.
A few minutes later.
Yes guys, just arriving. Enhanced plates. These are my new ones for the Range. Okay guys, second stop. The car needs a new MOT, so we're getting a new MOT. Oh wait! Thank you. Guys, the final stop on my tour around London before I head back to the South Coast is I've come down to see my guy Dennis at Lux Automotive.
So what we're going to do today is we're going to fit a Ghost.
Yep.
And we might do some stuff in the back of the car.
Yes, no
problem. I'm going to help you out.
Yeah guys, it's been a successful trip to London. No more SOS lights on the screen, and you went ahead and fitted a bit of security.
Yeah.